Welcome to Pocketful of Joy Home Organizing. Hi, I'm Julie Heckscher, and I specialize in helping people just like you downsize their belongings, reorganize their homes, and live more joyfully in the homes that they love. With a focus on the KonMari Method, I work alongside you and guide you in downsizing your belongings and decluttering your space, creating a home that truly reflects who you are. Everyone's homes are different, everyone's life experiences are different. So the first thing we really want to do is understand what is the ideal lifestyle that client really is hoping to achieve. So once we define what a client's ideal lifestyle is, we let the method do its magic, and we work through all the 5 KonMari categories. They are clothing. First, we'll go through all of a client's clothing, then books, then papers, then miscellaneous items, and then we work on sentimental items, which are typically the most challenging. And in making all of the decisions about belongings along the way, clients usually can feel a clearer sense of themselves coming forward that relates very closely to achieving this ideal lifestyle. Most clients tell me, almost without fail, that how they physically feel when they're finished is lighter. They feel so much lighter, they feel so much more relief. They look around, they can see things that are pleasing to them. The real outcome for them is not only something that's nice to look at, easier to live in, but it's also joyful. I really like to keep the mood very cheerful. It can seem very tedious, but when we're together, we make it very fun. We really enjoy the special moments when clients find things that they do love, that they maybe had forgotten they loved, or was tucked away in the back of a closet or deep in a box somewhere. And those moments are really special, and I want to recognize with clients that those moments are a part of their journey of reclaiming and sometimes reinventing who they are and appreciating who they are now and who they want to be in their future. The KonMari method that I work in is so effective at helping bring to light the things that people find joyful in their lives. People ask me sometimes why I do this kind of home organizing work. And my honest answer is that I simply love it. I love downsizing myself and going through my belongings and paring things down and organizing things in new and fresh ways. And I love helping other people do the same thing.